Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in our previous videos so far we have learned about different letters in Arabic, different sounds in Arabic. So what are the different letters and different sounds? Inshallah today we'll be learning the words in Arabic. The letters come together to form words. Words come together to form a sentence. Sentences come together to form a paragraph, and so on and so forth. We get books and volumes. So what are the words in Arabic? So Arabic has simplified and has put all the words together in three categories. There are three kinds of words in Arabic. So what are those? We're going to learn today, inshallah. The first thing what we have to know is called an ismun. It's called ism. It's written as ismun. The second word is called a fa'al. A fa'al. So fa'alun. It's got ismun, fa'alun. And the third word is called as harf. It's called harfun. So we got ism, fa'al, and harf. So we'll be learning what does these three means. We will begin with inshallah with the easiest word to remember, and that is harf. So what is a harf? Harf is a word that makes no sense on its own. So there has to be another word to come after it to make some sense. So harf is a word that makes no sense on its own, and it has to be another word. Let me give you an example. If I just say to, doesn't make any sense. If I just say in, doesn't make any sense. Same thing on, from. There has to be more information for these words to make some sense. For example, see, say to masjid. It makes some sense. Say in the house, on the table, from India. So these are the words on their own. They don't have any sense, but there has to be another word to come after it. That is a harf. Coming to fa'al. So what is a fa'al? Fa'al in English we call it as a verb or something which describes an action. So in Arabic, how do we recognize this word? So it is a word in which a tense is attached to it. What is a tense? Past tense, present tense, and you guessed it, the next one is future tense. So let's give you some examples. So for the past tense, like he ate, they traveled. So these are the actions that describe that has been done some time before. So we have present tense like he is writing, they are traveling. Future tense, he will be writing, they will be traveling. So that is fa'al is a word in which you can find a tense in it, a present tense, past tense, or a future tense. Coming to ism. Ism contains a lot of things. There's so many things comes under the roof of ism. So what are those things? There's the name, place, could be animals, things or objects, adverbs, adjectives, and more. So inshallah we'll be slowly learning everything. So name, place, animal, things, adverb, anything which you say which describes a name, a place, animal, thing, or adverb. So that comes under the roof of ism. So just give an example like name, Muhammad, Hamid, Ali, the place, Makkah, Madina, the things, book, table. Adverb like here and there, adjective, beautiful, new, an idea, Islam. Islam is an idea, can't see it. So these are the things which we have learned. Ism, fa'al, that has tense, and harf that makes no sense unless there is another word. So let's do some practice inshallah. See if you can recognize these things. If I give you a sentence, I want you to read this and figure out what is an ism, what is a fi'al, and what is a harf. If I say Muhammad is going to masjid, so what will be the ism, what will be the harf, what will be the fi'al? So we have Muhammad will be ism, going is fi'al, to is a harf, and masjid is a ism. Let's give another example. See if you can figure out quickly. You are learning Arabic. So what will be ism, what will be fi'al, and what is, if there is any harf in this. You see here there is no harf in this. It's a simple sentence. It says you is a ism or learning Arabic. So if you see here, is and are, there is no is and are in Arabic. So this is what we're going to learn in next session inshallah, how to recognize these things. So if I give you last one today inshallah, so if I say I am teaching Arabic from computer. So if you can figure out what is ism, what is a fi'al, what is a harf. Good. So I is a ism, teaching is an action, it's a fi'al, Arabic is a ism, from is a harf, and computer is an ism. So inshallah, remember this thing, ism, fi'al, harf, and slowly we'll be learning about, we'll begin our journey with ism inshallah, and then we'll continue. Okay, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.